Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to show you a system I've been using. My #1 marketing system, turnkey marketing system. When you're starting to get into the making money online niche, there's a few things you must have. Okay? Generating leads. That's something you must do, is generate leads. And you must have a marketing system that's going to capture your leads. A system that's going to allow you to engage with your leads by sending a broadcast, a system that's going to have a automated autoresponder, okay, a system that's going to allow you to create landing pages. So I want to talk about a system I've been using called the Conversion Pros, and it's allowed me to invest $50. Okay, $50 has turned into $9,000, okay, with this system. It's a tool that everybody needs anyway, okay? So you're able to make residual income. So the instant pay commissions out there is great, but what are you making month to month to month, right? How can you get paid every week? How can you get paid reoccurring, okay? Subscriptions, okay, that's what this is. Because when people pay their $50 a month, it's $50 for the membership, the subscription. When they pay $50, you make $25. The company makes you a partner, so they split that. You make $25, they make $25. As long as they keep their membership, they pay $50, you make $25. Okay, so it's a system you need anyway. So let me show you this system and how it's helped me make $9,000, okay? And it continues to grow. So let's check out this system, the Conversion Pros. So the Conversion Pros, let's check it out. Here's one of the websites that they give you, okay, that you can promote. They created this already that's coded to you. We have about, I believe it's 9 or 10 affiliate pages that you can share, and when people sign up, they get a free trial, and if they decide to upgrade and go ahead and pay the $50, you make $25. The company pays out every Friday, okay? So here's one of the pages. They even have testimonies of other affiliates, testimonies about the program, okay? So let's check it out. Why should you join? There's no cost to get started. They give you a 14-day trial. Okay, no credit card is required. You can get started. Okay, just testing the system out, seeing if it's for you. They don't ask you for your credit card. So you can join, and then you can have access to buy leads. That's in the back office. Okay, so they give you an access to biz opportunity leads. Even being a free member, yes, you will go there, you'll see leads, and you can purchase the leads, okay? So business opportunity leads, weekly pay, okay? You can market any program with this because this is a marketing system. It's not going to interfere with what you're already doing. It helps you promote your business opportunity, whatever that is you're promoting, okay? Now, they have a mobile app, which is pretty cool, free to download to Android or iPhone, okay? And this way, when people opt into your pages, guys, you can track it directly right from your smartphone, okay? You'll know which page they opted into, and you can communicate with them directly from your phone. So this is a tool. Not only is it a marketing system, but it's a tool to help you build your primary business, all right? So this page right here, as you can see, it's a capture page. You would put your name and email and phone number in, and you would be able to see the landing page on how they talk about the benefits of the program. But let's keep going and see what it all entails. Okay, so check this out. You also get unlimited capture pages and landing pages. They have some pre-done for you pages already set up if you're not really into, hey, I don't really know how to create them. Even though they give you step-by-step video in the back office, they walk you through how to actually create a page. But if you don't want to deal with that, they have done for you pages already set up. Just plug into those, okay? And they have an autoresponder already done for you. So they've made this very easy. They even have what they call drag and drop pages where you can drag and drop videos from YouTube or Vimeo right into the pages, guys. I mean, it's super duper easy to navigate. All right, and then they talk about, again, the app that I'm talking about. It's a free app. Download it once you become a member, and you use it to manage your business. They include unlimited autoresponder. Okay, there's autoresponders out there that can cost you anywhere from $19 up to in the hundreds per month just to have an autoresponder, whereas you can have Conversion Pros as your autoresponder. That $50 not only gives you the marketing system, but unlimited contacts and autoresponder. All that's included, okay? So we talked about the commission. So every month you're going to get paid commissions as long as your folks keep their membership. As long as they pay $50, you make $25 per person, okay? And for everybody that signs up that week, the company pays you every Friday, okay? Then we have the follow-up system. As I stated earlier, the autoresponder is included. The marketing training is included. Ads written for you is included. I mean, it's an all done for you turnkey marketing system. Let's go back here, some testimonies of some folks speaking on the Conversion Pros. Let's go take a look at the members area. Okay, I am in the members area. As you can see right here, it shows you share codes. They're already created for whatever niche you're in. Doesn't matter what you're into. This system can help you promote it, from health and wellness to a salesperson to landscaping, weight loss, fitness. It doesn't matter, okay? This marketing system will work for you. So to the left, if you look here, you see it says landing pages, webinar builder. You can even build webinar pages back here, guys. They have a boot camp to help kickstart your business step by step, what you should be doing. They have affiliate training, tips and tricks. They have a whole marketing suite. That's what this is. Let's go over that. The marketing suite. So that includes page builder, custom domains. You can create custom domains, your contact manager, which is all your leads, your members manager, which will show you all your members. It'll even show you when people sign up for a trial membership, and then when they transition from trial to a paid member, you can see all your members there. The autoresponder is included as stated. Broadcaster, you can send out an email broadcast to all your leads every day. This is what I do. They have a QR code builder and invoicer. You can invoice folks. I mean, this system has a plethora of features. Link rotator, you can create a link rotator for your team, okay? With this, they have tiny URLs. You can take a long link and make it a shortener, okay, with a tiny URL shortener. And of course, they have share codes. So if you go back here and you create a page, let's say you have a team of folks, right? And let's say you create a page, right? And folks join you, all you have to do is give them the share code of what you created. They go back here and replicate that, just copy and paste that code, and voila, they have replicated the page you already created, and they can just continue to do that and share their code with their members. Okay, so it's a great way to have a team, if you have a team building system that you're a part of. Okay, so you got landing pages, autoresponder. They even have leads back here if you want to order leads. Okay, these are business opportunity leads right here. Just click here and you can order you some leads even as a free member. Okay, so let's keep going. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So you can order leads. You'll instantly get those. As soon as you make the payment, you will see them in your back office back here. They have resources, guys, to show you how to navigate back here in this system as well. A fast start system right here. You click fast start and it shows you, well, as soon as you get back here, well, what should I be doing? Click fast start and it'll show you step by step how to navigate through this system. Very newbie friendly. All right, and then training videos for everything that they have in this members area. They have a video tutorial to walk you through step by step. Okay, on anything. If you decide, you say, well, hey, well, how do I create an autoresponder? All you have to do is click here for training videos, and there's a training video that's going to show you how to navigate through this thing. Okay, very user friendly. As I stated, you need a marketing system if you're going to be in the make money online space. Let me just show you a couple of the pages that I have created. So check it out. Okay, here's one of the pages I created for one of the affiliate programs that I'm a part of, make $200 a day. Check that out. Very simple and easy to create. Okay, name and email. Let me show you another one. Now. It looks different when it's on your phone. So what you see may look like there's a space there, but when it's pulled up on the mobile device, it's perfect. Okay, they have it mobile optimized, so it's going to look very good on the phone. So here's one I created. Quit the 9 to 5, no more boss blueprint. Okay, and I've got the traffic here. Okay, so that resonates with a lot of people. Okay, and here's another one. $100 again and again, sending simple text messages. Another program that I'm a part of. Okay, so very newbie friendly. Okay, and they have images, so you can go back there and pull those images that they'll have already created, or you can add your own images. Okay, now let me show you, there are pages they've created for us to share as an affiliate marketer. Let me show you those pages. All I've done is shared my pages. See right here, there's 1, 2, 4. Let's see. So it's about 10 pages in here. The affiliate marketing pages that promotes the system itself. Okay, so all I do is share my link. See, it's coded to me. Whatever your username is, they have it coded to you. Okay, so sharing these, and if someone decides to sign up, I make $25 over and over as long as they keep their membership. Now let me show you some results, how I've turned $50 into $9,000 just promoting the system. Let me show you the results. All right, if you can see right here, all-time earnings, $9,481. I'm almost at 10K. Okay, by signing up, paying $50. And remember, it no longer becomes a monthly for you, because once you get people to sign up with you, you break even. So I'm not spending $50 out of my pocket. It's coming from the members. I'm breaking even. I have several members that's paying $50 every month, right? So that's how I'm able to do that, and it doesn't come out of my pocket. All right, guys, so check this system out. I'm going to put the link in the description. Go check it out. Get your 2-week free trial. Okay, whatever you're promoting, you can use this to help you promote it. Download the mobile app, get started. If there's any pages that you see that I have and you like to have those, I will share my share code with you. Okay, and you can just replicate that page. All right, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.